Hello friends, welcome to DeepMind AI. Today I'm so excited because we are going to discover two new tools of AI by using which we can create a good fortune. First of all, we will see the result after knowing these AI tools, what we will be able to do in future and how we can create a good fortune with the help of these new AI technology. So first of all, I'll go straight to YouTube channel and I'll show you how people are making millions of dollars by using these AI technology. If you come to this page, really not AI, you can see that they have more than 1.27 million live subscribers. And now if you talk about their videos they are creating, and creating these kind of videos is as simple as having a piece of cake. If you look at their views, so you can see this video, I don't want to go to school. And you can see that they have 19 million views. And after that, if you can see their views, and you can check this video, did you brush your teeth? 14 million views. So first of all, let's check their videos. And after that, I'll show you just 3 steps. By following these 3 steps, you will be able to creating such kind of amazing videos. And you can create a really good fortune by using these techniques and by uploading these kind of video in TikTok and in YouTube Shorts. So let's check this one first, and then we will go ahead and we will utilize the AI tool to create video like this.
I don't want to go to school. Why? No, I don't want to go to school. Why? Because I want to break the rule. Why? I can't do it. Oh, why? Because I don't want to do.
Hey, this one.
Hey Dad, what does WTF mean?
Oh, that's easy. It means what the fuck? Hey, Jimmy, did you brush your teeth on my ass?
Yes.
Let me see those things.
The search for these kind of videos are on peak in YouTube. So let's dive in and let's create our own funny clips by using just simple steps. So friends, in order to create these kind of funny clips, first we need pictures. We are going to use Leonardo.ai for picture creation. So just search Leonardo.ai. And after that, just click the first link and just click get started. Now we are on their front page, and let's create the first picture. So in order to create your picture, all you have to come, you can see the AI tool, just click on image creation. And after that, you have to describe the pictures. So after that, just click here, generate pictures, and you have free credits. This tool is absolutely free. You can create images. If you need more images, if you run out of credit, you can log in with a different email and you can start creating your pictures absolutely free, of course. So stay tuned and let's wait for our final output.
A few minutes later.
Friends, these are just amazing. As you can see that our final pictures are perfectly ready. Let's check these pictures. These are just mind-blowing pictures. And now the second step is that we have to download the picture. As I already created too many pictures before as well. So I'm going to use one of the pictures and I'm going to do lip sync, and I'm going to do voiceover as well. So in order to do lip sync and voiceover, we are going to use Vidnos.ai. Once you log in with your Gmail, you will find interface like this. They have different templates, educational, business, or different kind of templates. They are absolutely free and ready-made templates. You can use these templates for business, whatever kind of ambition you have. So you can use these templates accordingly. So we will go ahead, we will do lip sync for our picture we just have created. So in order to do lip sync and voiceover, we have to click on avatars. And once we click on avatar, and we will see interface like this. So now all we have, and now we have to upload our picture we just have created. Now you can see that we have successfully uploaded our picture. So now what we can do, if we want to remove the background, all we have to click on remove background. So now you can see that our background has been removed successfully. After that, what we have to do, we have to select a male or female. So absolutely we are going to select male. After that, we have to click on next. And as you can see, the picture is loading. It will take a seconds. So just bear with me. Now you can see that we have successfully uploaded our picture, and all we have to do, first we have to write script. So we have written our script. All we have to do now, you can see that we have different voice option here. So we have to select one of the voice. So I'm going to select this voice, and after that I have to click OK. Now on this interface, you can see that you have different option, and you can increase the speed, and you can add subtitle, all that. And right now we are okay with this. And now what we have to do, we have to click on generate. And before that, I'll share you can add taxis, and there are different shape, and even you can add background. And let's check if we have any good background, so we can select that background as well. So far we will go with this one and adjust your avatar accordingly. And now you have different option here. You can add taxis, and you can create music. You can add music in background, and if we want, we can do that as well. So I have added music as well. And after that, just click on generate. And now you can see that our picture is in queue, and it will take at least 1 or 2 minutes. Within 1 minute, our final product will be ready, and we will be able to upload that on TikTok, YouTube. So friends, our final product is absolutely ready. I'm so excited to watch that. So let's dive in and let's watch our finished product.
Hello, how are you? Do I seem funny? No, I am not funny at all, okay?
So friends, that's all, and this is as simple as I told you before. Creating these kind of videos are as simple as having a piece of cake. So friends, so after that, you can see the download option here, and you can download by clicking here. So you can see that the video has been downloaded successfully. So friends, if you like this session, please do subscribe and share DeepMind AI.